Graduate School of International Studies, Seoul National University. My name is Tae-gyun Park, Dean of SNU GSIS. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all on your acceptance into our 2020 SNU GSIS Master's Degree Program in Gender and Development. It is truly unfortunate that I cannot meet and greet you all in person. The COVID-19 pandemic has certainly affected our daily lives. SNU is doing its best to provide classes through different methods and programs. We will do what we can to ensure that all of the students participating in this program via online will be able to follow and participate in the class without error. Since its establishment in 1997, GSIS has been cultivating global leaders who can take on the challenges presented by an increasingly complex global society. With the distinguished faculty members who are renowned scholars in their fields in Korea and abroad, GSIS offers a unique and outstanding curriculum that brings together different disciplines and area studies with concentration in international commerce, international cooperation, international area studies, and Korean studies. Starting this year, we have also prepared a diverse curriculum based on the gender and development. I hope to build on the great foundation GSIS has laid so far and bring out the full potential of GSIS with the tight community we have here at the school. I hope you will continue to show the interest and support our endeavors as we make the leap to the top. Congratulations once again on your acceptance to this program. I anticipate the day when I can meet you all in person. Best wishes for your success and health. Thank you very much.